Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. Today we're going to check and see what's inside my Allure Beauty Box for May. If you are not familiar with the Allure Beauty Box, it is a monthly subscription. It'll range from $25 a month down to $18.99 a month, depending on if you get it monthly, quarterly, or annually. There will be 6 items, include 3 or more full-size items. The rest will be deluxe sample sizes, and there should be a more than $100 value in this box. They will give you an opportunity to pick one of your items. I always forget what my pick was by the time I get the box, so let's be surprised together and see what's inside this box. We do get our pamphlet that will tell us, hopefully, about some of the products that we got. It's not always every product that we have in here, but it does have a lot of the information, and it gives values if they're full size or deluxe sample. This is the inside of the box. It comes tissue wrapped and everything's in the box. Let's look and see what these items are. Our first item out of the box is the Elemis Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. This is a full-size product. It's 15 milliliters, and this is a $50 value. I have used this product. I have it currently. I do like it. It's a great product. You almost can never go wrong with Elemis, but we do have a full size of the eye cream from Elemis. Our next item is from Chris Appleton. This is a mask for super glossy hair. So this one, it says you will get super glossy, expensive looking hair. So who doesn't want expensive looking hair? So this is actually a deluxe sample. The full size is going to be, the full size is 215 milliliters. This is a 50 milliliters, so this is a quarter size. Full size would be $45, so this is roughly a $10 value for that size. And I like a good hair mask, so I'm excited to try that one out. Our next item is from Mud Masky, and this is the Midnight Hand Mask. And this says it nourishes, firms, hydrates, revitalizes, and anti-aging. So that is a great one. I love a good hand mask. I love a good hand cream. So this is, I'm sorry that keeps coming out of focus. This is the Mud Masky hand mask. I think this is the full size, which would be $55. It says it's for 40 milliliters, and this only says it's 1.35 ounces, which I think is 40 milliliters. So that is a $55 value for that one. That's pretty cool. Our next item is Poets of Berlin, and this is a perfume, and this is from Wilhelm Perfumery, New York. So let's see what it says about this one. This perfume proves vanilla doesn't have to be so vanilla. The scent has all the warmth and comfort of a vanilla fragrance for sure, but with a crispy sweet kick from lemon and blueberry. Orris and sandalwood keep the overall effect grounded, not pastry-like. So this says you should spray it onto your pulse points and for a cozy vanilla tinged hug. All right, oh, so for the full size of this would be 50 milliliters. This is 5. Full size is $175, so this is about a $17.50 value. I want to smell this one. I do like vanilla, and that is a good size sample. I mean, it's a sample, but it's bigger than your normal sample. I'm going to spray it into the box. That is definitely vanilla forward, but it's nice and soft, and I do like it. I will enjoy using that one. Our next item in the box is from Natura EOS, and this is an exfoliating shower gel. And this is, it's the Natura EOS Takume. It's got a little squiggle over the end of the A, so I think it's a Takume. And this retails for $18 for the 185 milliliter size. This is a 30 milliliter size. So not expensive for the full size. I kind of wish they would just give us the full size if it's only $18 for that. And this says it is 97% natural origin. So there's probably a couple showers in there. Again, another item that's good to take on when you're traveling. There's a reason they call these travel sizes. They're good to take with you when you're traveling and you don't want to carry a lot of weight. You don't want to carry a lot of product. You can carry a little sample size. The last item in here is Tulip Tint. This might have been what I picked. I'm not really sure. This is from Bloom Effects. Tulip Tint, and this is You Will Be Glowy Tint, wash of color that perks up complexions in a way that looks totally natural. So I guess it's that color. That's cute. So it's a little bit of cream blush color. It's sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed. I have a lot of blushes working right now, so I'm going to probably leave this one in the box. But very nice little cream blush. This is a full size 13 milliliter, $29 value. So that was our Allure box for May. For $25, I mean, the LMS by itself was double that. So we've got a lot of good value in this box, some really great products to try out. I really like mine. Again, I cannot remember what my pick was. I'm sure it was amazing. Whatever it was good. Allure is one of my favorite subscription boxes. I enjoy it every month. There's always something fun and good in there. Sometimes you get makeup in them more than the skincare. You just never know. It's going to be random beauty items depending on the month. But this was a great one. If you enjoyed it and you like this kind of content and would like to see more of it, please hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit the like button if you like the video, and share my channel with your friends and family who you think might also enjoy it. I would appreciate the support and help growing the channel. But for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you for joining me on Beth Unboxes. Bye-bye.